For decimal numbers, the least unit of measurement, which is the LUM, depends on the number of places. Decimal numbers, it depends on the number of places. For example, 20.3, this is a decimal number, has the least unit of measurement 0.1, not 0.5, it is 0.1. If it is 20.33, it will be 0.01, 2 decimal places. If it is 1.339, the answer will be 3 decimal places, meaning to be 0.001. If it is 40.4567, this one here, 40 what we have here, it will be 0.0001. There are 4 decimal places. That is what we have. Example. We have an example here. Find the absolute error, upper and the lower limit in 13.0.9 centimeter. The first thing which would come in your mind is how many decimal places are there. Decimal places there are 2. So the least unit of measurement, it would be 0.01. So to find the absolute error, we are going to say 0.01 divided by 2, because that is what we learned. We learned that is the least unit of measurement divided by 2. So the answer we are getting is 0.005. 0.01 divided by 2. 2 into 0. The answer is 0. You put a point. Then you come again. 2 into 0. The answer is not 0. 2 into 1. The answer is 0. Then you put a 0 on top of 1 or in front of 1. It will be 10. 2 into 10. The answer is 5. That's why we have 0.005. Having found that one, now we can find the upper limit. You know, the upper limit is found by writing true measurement. Our true measurement is 13.09 plus the absolute error we got. So if we add 13.09 plus 0.005, the answer is 13.095. The lower limit, it is to subtract the true measurement minus the absolute error we are getting, or the absolute error which we know that it's 0.005. So we are going to have 13.09 minus 0.005. The answer we get is 13.085. That is what we have. That is the answer we are getting. So we move to, we have an activity here. You have to find this exercise. Find the exercise given here. After this, we are going to the next lesson, which is known as the relative error. So find this exercise, then you share with me your answers. Thereafter, you continue watching the video on the absolute, the relative error as well as the percentage error. So, allow me to continue with my lesson. So, we are on the relative error and percentage error. For relative error, it is the ratio of the absolute error to the true measurement. So, relative error, it is the ratio of absolute error to the true measurement. So, what is our absolute error? You find the absolute error, then you divide it by the true measurement. Then for percentage error, it is the relative error you got. You multiply it by 100%. In short, the percentage error, it is just to express the answer you got for relative error. Then you multiply it by 100. Or if you don't mind, you say absolute error of a true measurement, then you multiply it by 100. We have the example there, the example given, which is find the relative as well as the percentage error for 7.5.